how to blur images in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can blur images on your Google Slides. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and go to your Google Slides. However, you can see that there is no option to blur images in your Google Slides itself. But don't worry, I have a workaround for you. So let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to a new tab and then search for blur image. And then go to the Pine Tools one and then choose file that you want to blur and then hit open. Now you can see type of blurring filters. You can choose any blur that you want to, and then you can increase or decrease the radius and then hit blur. Now you can see that the image has been too blurred, so you can increase or decrease it. So this is what the image looks like after it is blurred. You can see that there is copy option. Just tap to copy image to clipboard and then go to your Google Slides and then hit Ctrl V to paste. And there you go. Now your image has been blurred. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.